They're all around us, vibrantly coloured and inconspicuous. Quarrelsome and playful, large and small, in a constant struggle for survival. Looking for food, partners and nesting places, taking care of their offspring. Many are invisible to most people, although they live just a few steps away. They also exist in places that become inhabitable again when local industry no longer harms the environment. A film about the everyday life of birds that stays hidden from most of us. A story about the return of birds to a once devastated area that now even hosts species that were not there before. A case of human intervention in an industrial zone that enabled the successful coexistence of birds and industry. Birds of the Lakes return.